Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the AI Neuro Dynamics EA for MT5, and I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, the key system structure, and then the historical backtesting to understand how it behaves in real market conditions. And before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the AI Neuro Dynamics EA is developed by Peter Robert Grange, and it is currently listed as an MT5 expert advisor. The pricing is set at $599 for purchase, and there is also a rental option available at $499 per month. Now, the EA is currently on version 2.1, last updated in November 2025, with 13 activations listed here on the marketplace. Now, as I scroll through the description, the EA is described as an adaptive system specifically built for XAU USD, which is gold, and it is designed for the H1 time frame. The developer also mentions that the system is built around what they call a neuro dynamic architecture, which is essentially an adaptive framework that adjusts its internal logic based on market conditions like volatility and liquidity. Now, one of the key points highlighted here is that the EA is designed to operate in high volatility environments, which is important because gold tends to move in sharp and unpredictable phases. Now, moving further down, I can see that the system is built around multiple internal modules, including what they describe as a dynamic quantization kernel. Okay. There is also a neural mesh layer and a time warp calibration engine. From a practical standpoint, these are described as layers that help process market movement and adjust signal behavior in real time. Another important note here is the setup process. It's described as very straightforward, with preloaded parameters where you simply attach it to an XAU USD H1 chart and select your risk level. The marketplace page also mentions ECN or raw spread account account conditions, okay, which suggests it is designed with execution quality in mind, especially for gold trading where spreads can matter significantly. Now, before moving into the backtesting section, it's also worth noting that the developer highlights prop firm compliance, okay, stating that the system does not use martingale, grid, or hedging structures and instead focuses on adaptive AI-driven signal logic. So now shifting into the historical backtesting section, I'm going to focus on how the EA behaves across the chart and how it reacts to different market conditions over time. All right, so let's just head over to our strategy tester right now. We're going to be testing the AI Neuro Dynamics on XAU USD H1 time frame. All right, so this is the AI Neuro Dynamics. All right, XAU USD H1 time frame. We are running the test from the beginning of this year till date. All right, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. All right, so as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and then we are going to be using the every tick modeling. All right, so let's just start the test immediately. Okay, so in about a minute's time or less, we're going to have the results out. We're just going to go through the the chart together, look at a couple of trades, right, that was taken, and then we're also going to head over to the results so that we can see how the EA performed over the duration of our testing, which is about 4.5 months. All right. So just stay tuned, and we're going to be doing that in a bit. Okay. So while looking at the historical data, we are going to try to understand how the EA operates, in addition to what we have already seen on the marketplace page. Okay. Try to understand how the trades are being executed, and the spacing and all of that. All right, so just a couple of seconds now and we are good to go. All right, so just like as I was saying, we can see now that in terms of the spacing between trades, the EA is doing quite a good job with that. It's not stacking a lot of trades together. We can see now that the buy trade and we can see now that the trade was executed and closed within the same candle here, meaning that the EA is targeting short-term price movements. And it happened here again within the same candle. A trade was executed and closed. All right, and then we can see here it happened again, and you can see the spacing between trades. Right, while the EA captures short-term price movement, it also has a reasonable spacing between its trades. So the EA appears to operate in a more selective way, meaning it doesn't seem to be constantly in the market. Instead, it reacts during certain volatility conditions, which aligns with the adaptive logic described in the marketplace. You can also see that trades appear to cluster around specific market phases, perhaps like what we have here, even though that there are not so many trades there, right? But during specific market phases, we can have perhaps a few trades executed around the same zone, right? Particularly where price structure shifts or volatility expands, suggesting the system is reacting to changes in market behavior rather than fixed patterns. Now, there are also periods where activity is much lower, of course, as we can see, which indicates that the EA is likely filtering out uncertain conditions and waiting for higher confidence setups. All right. So now, when reviewing these AI Neuro Dynamics EA MT5 historical results, it's important to treat them as historical backtest performance only and not as any guarantee of future behavior. Let's quickly look at the results itself. From a deposit of $3,000, we had a net profit of negative $1.25, and then we have total trades taken 36. The short trades were 13 with 84.62% win rate. The long trades taken were 23 with 95.65% win rate. All right. Now, with the largest profit was $60.20, and the largest loss was $600.40. Wow. So we can see how significant the difference is. The average profit was $50.94. Average loss was $560.79. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is very, very bad. Very, very bad. Despite the high win rate, there is a very poor risk to reward ratio, and it's no wonder that the total net profit was negative $1.25. Okay, so I'm going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA performs across different market cycles, especially during low and high volatility phases, right? So we run this back test across about 4.5 months, but I'll recommend that you run the test over a longer period of time, for a more comprehensive result. It's also worth noting that performance in real conditions can vary depending on spreads, broker execution, slippage, risk settings, and lot size configuration. So overall, AI Neuro Dynamics EA for MT5 presents itself as an adaptive AI-driven gold trading system that focuses heavily on real-time market analysis and volatility-based decision making. But like any automated system, especially one operating in volatile markets like gold, proper testing and careful optimization are essential before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.